This is how you're going to add your credit card on Etsy. So first step, you're going to head over to Etsy.com, and then from here, you're going to log in or sign up for an account. Now, from here, you're just going to click on your account right here, and then you're going to log in or sign up with your login credentials. Now, from here, once you have logged in, you're going to click on the shop manager just right beside your profile icon. And then from here, you're going to click on finances and then payment settings. Now, under payment methods, you're going to click on add payment method, and here you can add your credit card. So your credit card will be automatically charged on the first of each month for seamless billing. You can opt out of billing anytime in the payment settings. Now from here, you're just going to click on, or you can just add your credit card number right here. You're going to add your expiration date. You're just going to choose a month. You're going to choose a year. You're going to choose CCV on your card, and then you're going to enter the name on your card right here. Now from there, you're going to add your billing address, your country, street address, apartment, suite, or others, and then your city, postal code, province, and then your phone number as well. Although all these three are optionals, as well as the APT, suite, and others. And after that, that's it. You're done. You have now added your credit card on Etsy. You're just gonna have to click on save after that. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.